Dear students, hope you are fine. You are warmly invited to learn some art along with your other subjects. You know, art is an essential part of our lives. Whether we know how to draw or not, we need to know the basics about drawing. Particularly those who are interested in mathematics, science, and social science must be aware of this. Drawing allows us to create a systematic and beautiful sequence in all areas of life, or, in short, art is a measure of the beauty of life. So let's try to make art a part of life without leaving it out. So you are lovingly invited to the basic of drawing. Now you are given a drawing class prepared for classes 5th, 6th and 7th. Here are some basic lessons for drawing. So let us try to understand some of the basic principles of the art or drawing through this online class. As we all know, the basics of the drawing is the principle of geometrical shapes. The basics of the drawing is the principle of geometrical shapes. Geometrical shapes is must know for anyone who wants to study drawing. When you hear the geometrical shapes, it can be frightening, but it is very easy to learn and draw. Not only that, geometrical shape is something we must know during our education. So, watch these things carefully and listen and try to practice. What is geometrical shapes? Geometrical shape can be defined as figure or area closed by a boundary which is created by combining the specific amount of curves, points and lines. Once again I repeat, geometrical shape can be defined as figure or area closed by a boundary which is created by combining the specific amount of curves, points and lines. Different geometrical shapes are circle, square, triangle, oval, rectangle, trapezoid, pentagon, hexagon, septagon and octagon, etc. In this art class, we are going to study some of the shapes that are most related to drawing. Today, we can learn only 3 geometrical shapes. What we are learning, that is some of the most used geometrical shapes in drawing. Okay, what are they? First one is oval. Oval shape. See, it is the oval shape. We can only draw the oval shape if you practice it many times. So you try to draw many times for this oval shape. The oval shape is the most important shape in the art of drawing. That is the important matter. The oval shape is the most important shape in the art of drawing. So draw an oval shape with a stencil and then draw it several times. This will help us to draw the oval shape easily. Secondly, the rectangle is the geometrical shape that we are learning. The rectangle. See, it is rectangle. We learn to draw the rectangle several times, first by scale and then by freehand. Thirdly, the triangle is the geometrical shape that we are learning. So it is triangle. This shape also you do it first by scale and then next by freehand. These are the three shapes you need to understand and draw and practice in our online class today. Because these three shapes are the most important in drawing. So dear students, learn to draw these three geometrical shapes well in the coming week. Next week, we will study about some of the things or objects using these three geometrical shapes. Okay, wishing everyone a good week. Thank you one and all.